How to Live on Crypto Part 3. Shop online. Hi, and welcome back to How to Live on Crypto. By now you should know how to get and use a wallet, as well as how to buy your first crypto. Now I'm going to show you how to spend it. You're probably going to do most of your spending online. This is because most of the payment solutions and point of sale systems aren't really as well developed for in-person merchants as they are online. Also, we already have physical cash to use in person. Now we have digital cash to use online. First, you're going to be using Bitrefill a lot. Bitrefill is a service that lets you buy digital gift cards for a wide variety of businesses worldwide, including some of the largest retailers. This means that you can spend crypto at a lot of places that don't yet accept it directly. You can buy gift codes, which are like store credit, and use that. The most important store on Bitrefill is obviously Amazon. You can get just about anything in the world from Amazon, and just this alone makes it so much easier to live on crypto. Here's how to do it. Go to Amazon, add what you want to buy to your cart, and go to checkout. Then, open Bitrefill in a new tab. Select Amazon, select the amount of credit to buy, or enter a custom amount, add to cart, checkout, enter your email address, and select Dash as the payment option. Then copy and paste both the amount of Dash and the Dash address into your wallet. Hit send. Almost instantly, Bitrefill should display your Amazon gift code. If not, check your email. Paste that code into your Amazon checkout window and then confirm your order. It's a similar process when using Bitrefill to buy anything else online. Just check ahead of time how each business handles gift codes. You can use Bitrefill without having an account, but if you create one, you can get reward points for shopping, which translate to discounts. The Dash website also has its own gift card section, some with significant discounts at giftcards.dash.org. This is mainly for US-based customers. CryptoRefills has some good discounts as well. Purse.io is another great site for buying things off of Amazon for crypto, sometimes with significant discounts. But it's a more complicated process, and you will need to get some Bitcoin Cash to use it. If you've got some extra time, use SwapSpace to switch cryptos, like I showed you in the last video, and watch the linked video on how to use Purse. Now let's look at how to buy things directly with crypto. This works the same as paying just about any other invoice we've seen before. Go to checkout, select the option to pay with crypto, copy and paste the address and the amount into your wallet, and hit send. Note that sometimes this payment option is labeled Bitcoin or altcoins. There are quite a few places to spend crypto directly. Crypto Emporium is a site that only accepts cryptocurrency and even prices things in cryptocurrency. It's where I got my phone that I'm using to record this video, and they sell all kinds of electronics, vehicles, even property. We Shop with Crypto and ShopInBit are other great general-purpose online crypto stores, and Satoshi Goods is a great place to get more specifically crypto-related items. To find more online businesses that take crypto, try CryptWerk, or just search for Spend Cryptocurrency or Spend Bitcoin and see what you can find. Remember when paying online to double-check the address and the amount you're sending to, because once you send a payment, you won't be able to take it back, and we'll have to get in contact with the store to issue a refund. That's it for this time. Next time I'm going to show you how to travel using only crypto. See you then.